Finnegan lived on a narrow street, a man both odd and proud, with a brogue so rich and a laugh so loud he could charm the liveliest crowd. Hey! With a heart on his back he climbed each day, and a drop to ease the strain. But the higher he rose on the ladder's sway, he came tumbling down again.
And the whole street stopped as he hit the ground.
Ah, lads, poor Tim is gone. Dance now, dance, let the music play. Round the floor till your boots all shake. Raise it up, give a cheer tonight. There's a life in Finnegan's wake. Sing it loud, let the rafters ring.
Clap your hands for old Tim's sake.
If you fall, just rise again. There's a life in Finnegan's wake. They carried him home with a tear and a grin, laid him out upon the bed, with a gallon of whiskey beside his feet and a barrel at his head.
Friends came in from near and far with stories, songs and cries, for there's no such night like an Irish wake when a good man meets his demise.
And the fiddle sang as the drinks went round, and the night caught fire again. Dance now, dance, let the music play. Round the floor till your boots all shake. Raise it up, give a cheer tonight. There's a life in Finnegan's wake. Sing it loud, let the whole town hear.
Let the walls and the windows quake.
Drink it down and laugh out loud. There's a life in Finnegan's wake. Then Biddy cried and Paddy roared as the whiskey flew like rain. A fight broke out by the bedside there, so the crack went wild again. A jug went flying, struck the bed, and so poor Tim below. And the moment that the whiskey hit, he jumped up